Hey guys, what's happening? How to change that Taobao app into English language. So, if you logged in, make sure to log in, of course, using your account, and you're gonna see the app full in Chinese, right? So if you want to navigate and change it to an English language, click account at the bottom right here. Okay, and if you don't know exactly where to locate the account, make sure just to follow the icons and you're gonna know exactly where you're gonna land. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna see the settings again at the top right, press it, and now you're gonna see country and region language, or you're gonna see in the first section the fourth option, right? And I'm gonna just press it, and you're gonna see country and region, the same order, language and payment currency. I'm gonna select that second option right here, and you're gonna see a pop-up window. Your current language, of course, will be in Chinese, or Mandarin, and you're gonna just see English right at the top, so you can change it right here, and click the orange button right here to confirm that you want to change the language from Chinese or from Mandarin to English. So hit confirm, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.